On the heels of Black Lives Matter, brands want to take meaningful action. But that isn't as easy as it sounds. Words matter. And sometimes we struggle to find the right words. And when we don't know how to talk about a topic, we often stop talking about it altogether. In fact, 2 in 5 Americans have stopped speaking with a friend or family member as a result of today's tense climate. So how can brands talk about topics like racial equity and discrimination in an authentic and meaningful way? How can they become voices of equity? We're the Multicultural Insights Collective, a consortium of research industry veterans and thought leaders tackling the foundational questions that need answers for racial justice in America. That's why we're introducing Words Matter, a research initiative for brands that want to activate meaningful conversations about equity and diversity. Is your brand committed to the investment needed to inspire inclusive conversations? Get involved today and become a champion for change. Visit voicesofequity.com/Words Matter.